You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this shape of pasta, a name from Italy. If you want to learn more names from Italian cuisine, stay tuned. We've got tons more on the channel, all the shapes of pasta. Anyhow, Mafaldine, that's the Italian pronunciation here. Mafaldine. The stress is on the D syllable, third syllable. Mafaldine. English pronunciation, Mafaldine. Mafaldine. Italian again, Mafaldine. English, Mafaldine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.